CAM programming is essential, but it's time-consuming, repetitive, and complex. That's where CAMAssist comes in. Since launch, it's been adopted by over 1,000 machine shops worldwide, saving hours per part. With CAMAssist 2.0, we've made it even faster, more flexible, and tailored to the way machinists actually work. CAMAssist 2.0 is a web-based CAM programming tool that integrates directly with your CAM package. Once launched, it analyzes your part and helps generate machining strategies and toolpaths in minutes. But version 2.0 is more than just fast. It's a dialogue between you and the AI. With new workflows like configure, assess, prepare, and analyze, you stay in full control of the decisions that matter. Getting started is easy. CAMAssist 2.0 lets you configure your machine, material, and tool library with intelligent defaults. No more digging through menus. You can upload your tool database and CAM files for CAMAssist to analyze your setup, machines, tools, materials, and processes, and let it automatically extract preferences, tailoring your output to match your existing workflows and making it faster than ever to get up and running. And with cloud-based storage, your settings carry over between sessions and other team members. Before toolpaths are generated, CAMAssist runs a machinability assessment. If there are problems like missing stock, unclear boundaries, or unsupported features, you'll get clear, actionable feedback, and you can even quickly check a part before you quote for the work. Fix it now, not after hours of wasted time. With CAMAssist 2.0, strategy generation is smarter and more transparent. You stay in control. Set work-holding security, adjust allowances, and choose which machining strategies to use depending on your shop setup. You also decide how the tool database is applied, how much control the AI has over cutting parameters, and whether to run on the side of caution or accelerate for production. The interface is designed with the machinist in mind, following a natural workflow from setups to roughing, finishing, and parameters to make the job easier and more intuitive. This is AI with a human in the loop, and you're always in charge. As CAMAssist runs, you can review every operation as it's created. Need to change a strategy, tool, machining direction, or toolpath? Go for it. CAMAssist now offers a comprehensive tool library that enables comparisons with your own and other suppliers' libraries to recommend additional tools to serve your machining needs. When you're done, the toolpaths are pushed back into your CAM platform ready to post and verify. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or still building confidence, CAMAssist 2.0 helps you go faster without cutting corners. That means fewer bottlenecks, more throughput, and more time for the complex work where your skill really shines. CAMAssist 2.0 isn't just an upgrade, it's a new way to program. Faster, smarter, built for you. Try CAMAssist 2.0 today. CloudNC, accelerated by AI.